Hello everyone. Today we have fraction and recurring problem number 4. This type of problems are asked in competitive exams like bank PO, railway exam, CAT, MAT, GMAT, SSC, UPSC, MBA, MCA, etc. So today I am going to explain how to solve this type of problems. Let's start. If 4 minus 5 upon 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4th part of journey takes 10 minutes, then to complete 3 fifth of the journey of that journey will take how much time? Four options are given: 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 36 minutes and 48 minutes. So we have given that 4 minus 5 upon 1 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 4. So first of all we will solve this expression. So this is equal to 4 minus 5 upon 1 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4, 8 plus 1. So this is equal to 4 minus 5 upon 1 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 9 by 4, and this is equal to 4 minus 5 upon 1 plus 1 upon 3 plus 4 by 9. Now this is equal to 4 minus 5 upon 1 plus 1 upon 9 LCM, and this is equal to 45 plus 4. 27 plus 4. 27 plus 4, and this is equal to 4 minus 5 upon 1 plus 1 upon 31 upon 9. 31 upon 9, and this is equal to 4 minus 5 upon 1 plus 9 upon 31, and this is equal to 4 minus 5 upon 31 LCM, 31 plus 9, and this is equal to 4 minus 5 upon 40 upon 31, and this is equal to 4 minus 5 into 31 upon 40, and 31 upon 40, 5 1 and 5 8 times. So this is equal to 4 minus 31 upon 8, and now this is equal to 8 LCM. So we have 32 minus 31 equal to 1 by 8. It means time taken, it means time taken in completing 1/8 part, 1/8 part of the journey equal to 10 minutes, because this is the this one is the this part takes 8 minutes. So when we solve this one, we get 1 upon 8. So 1 upon 8th part of journey completing in 10 minutes. So therefore time taken in completing 3/5 part. 3/5 part. This is equal to 10 into 8. Time taken by full journey equal to 10 into 8 into 3/5 part into 3 upon 5. So this gives 2. So this is equal to 48 minutes. So our answer is 48 minutes. Our answer is 48 minutes. So we have D is the right answer. 48 minutes is the right answer. I hope you enjoyed today's video. For more such type of questions, there are the links in the description. Tomorrow I will be uploading next video. So please hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.